Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Chapter 5, Lesson 4, multiply by a two-digit number. So we're going to look a little closer. The last couple lessons have been about multiplying by multiples of 10, 20, 30, and so on. So what if we get like a 12 multiplied by 27? As I bet you can see, we're going to try and chunk it up. Break it up so that we are doing the partial products type of multiplying. So let's get started. Example 1 here says, a coyote travels 27 miles each hour. Wow, that's a fast moving animal. How far can a coyote travel in 12 hours? So if he can go 27 miles in 1 hour, how far can he go in 12? So we have to find 27 times 12 to figure this guy out. We're going to use partial products. So we're going to draw this called our area model. So 12 is 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2. 27 is 20 plus 7. Okay, so we broke them up using expanded form. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times 2 is 40. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do 7 times 10 is 70. And 7 times 2 is 14. Then I need to add together 200 plus 40 plus 70 plus 14. Okay. 40 plus 70 is 110, plus 14 is 124, plus 200 is 324 is what we're going to get for our product. Oops, I put a 4 for some reason. 324. Okay, so the other way, you guys, here is to do normal multiplication. Okay, so let's give that a shot and see if we get 324. I don't know. Let's see if we can do. So again, first we do 7 times 2 is 14. Notice how I had to regroup there. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. Now, I need to look at this as now I'm multiplying 10. Multiplying it by 10. Not 1, but 10. So that 0 is going to come down right here. Okay. 1. Now I can just do 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And add 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 7 is 12, and 1 plus 2 is 3. 324. Look at that. We got 324 for both of them. Well, now look at this. The answer was right there the whole time. Didn't even have to do any math. But it's a good thing that we did, right? So we always need to know why. How do we get 324? Okay, so a coyote can travel 324 miles in 12 hours. That's crazy. That's quite a bit. I don't know if he has the stamina to keep running that pace for 12 hours. That'd be something. Someone should research that and let me know. Okay, here we have Heidi. Her monthly bills are shown. How much does she spend on her cell phone service in 2 years? So let's go over here. It says cell phone is $38 a month. Okay, so if it's $38 a month, first we need to figure out how much would it be for 1 year. Okay, so 1 year is 12 months. Ooh, HS. So that means 2 years equals 24 months. Okay. On here it says, okay, we could also just multiply her cell phone bill by 12 months in a year, and then we want 2 years. So that's kind of what we did to get our 24 months. So we know that 12 times 2 is 24. So really we're looking at 38 times 24, right? So that's why it's important. We wouldn't just look at cell phone, $38. Boom, multiply it by 2, done. Right? We need to make sure we're reading the whole table and not just the bit that we need. So let's start by estimating. 38, that's close to 40. 24 is closest to 20. 4 times 2 is 8. Then we're going to look at our zeros. I have 1, 2 zeros, so I need 2 zeros in my product. Okay, so our answer should be somewhere around 800. Should it be above or below 800? This guy went up 2. This guy went down 4. So this estimate is low. So that means our actual answer should be more than 800. Okay, so here we go. Multiply the ones. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 more is 15. Now we're going to multiply the tens. Remember, this is not 2, it's 20. It's a multiple of 10, so we know there's going to be a 0 in the ones place. Okay, then I'm going to just go through and multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. I'm going to cross off this 3 so I don't get messed up by it. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16, so I need to regroup my 1, put the 6 on the bottom. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Okay, let's add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. 7, 8, 9. 912 is our actual. And we knew it should be higher than 800. 912 is. So the cost of her cell phone service for 2 years is almost $1,000. Man, if she didn't have a cell phone, she'd be able to save $1,000 or spend $1,000 elsewhere. So 912 is close to the estimate of 800. We're pretty darn close there. So, there we go. Let's go to the next problem. Multiply. Okay, so they broke it apart into the area model over here. So let's here, multiply the ones. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Okay, and then I know that this is not 2, it's 20, and whenever we multiply by a multiple of 10, I get a 0 in the ones place. Then I just need to do 2 times 5. I'm going to cross out this 2 because I already used it. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. So now if we add, I get 840. So if we look at the area model over here, we broke it up. 20 plus 4, 30 plus 5, multiplied 20 by 30. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 zeros. Okay. 20 times 5. So we do 2 times 5 is 10. 1 0. 1 0. Okay. 4 times 30. So 4 times 3 is 12. We have 1 0 up here, 1 0, and then 4 times 5 is 20. So if I add this together, I'd get 600, 700, 820, 840. Boop. They match, don't they? 840, 840. Look at it. That means we did it right. High five to us. All right, here we go. Here's the trick. When we've got no helpers, can we do it? Can we do it? Let's try the area model. I haven't been able to draw this out yet, and I'm kind of interested to do so. So let's give it a shot here. So I'm going to have 20 plus 6. Okay, draw a big old box. Draw a line from the arrow down. Okay, and then 30 plus 5. Draw a line where we got our plus sign. Okay, so in this box here, this is the 20 times 30 box. So I'm going to do 2 times 3 is 6. 1, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. And this box over here is the 30 times 6 box. 3 times 6 is 18. 0, 0. Okay, down here is the 20 times 5 box. So 2 times 5 is 10. 0, 0, 100. Okay. And then we have 5 times 6 is 30. Sorry, this is the 5 times 6 box, and that's 30. So if I'm adding up, 600 plus 180 plus 100 plus 30. Okay, so I have 600 plus 100 is 700 plus another 100 is 880. So I have 880 plus 30 is 910 for my product. Alrighty. Okay, let's try doing the next one. Paper and pencil way. Okay, so first, 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 3 more is 23. Okay, then we're going to move over to multiply through our 3's, but that's not really 3, it's actually 30, right? We're multiplying everything by 30. So I need a 0 here. And then I can just multiply by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to cross that off. Put my 1, 18. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. Okay, add it up. 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 and 1. 1,610. So I would like it if you would try both ways. I don't want you to just pick one, go with it. I'd like you to say, oh, well, maybe I really like paper and pencil way, so I'm going to do most of them that way, but please still try to do a couple area model way. Right? Look how much less writing that one takes. It's much more condensed than this guy over here. And really, this is the way you kind of start doing it after a while, but I think this is a good way to stretch your brain, practice a little something new. So that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to let me know if you have any questions. See ya.